Hey guys, happy Vlogmas day 5. Okay, so I just killed 2 birds with 1 stone. Yeah, and walked and did my job. So I got my miles in today and my steps, and I'm still gonna do a cardiac workout tonight. Surprising, I didn't braid up my hair last night, but my hair looks pretty good. The top part is not as curly, but it's okay. I mean, like the ends of them is not curly. Of course, the root of it is, but I am on my way home now. I'm almost there. I'm trying to debate if I want some coffee. I think I'm gonna go get me some coffee from McDonald's. And yeah, I think I'm gonna go get me a coffee. You know what? No, I'm gonna save my money. I have coffee at home. I have some French vanilla coffee that I bought from. Hey, I need to find out where they got them Stiller things. My husband would love those. Okay. Anyway, sorry. I'm going to go home, make me some coffee, and yeah, I have one more client that I have to see, but I need to go debrief. And y'all, I got up this morning late. I was supposed to get up at 7:30, didn't get up until 8:30, and my session started at 9. Y'all, I said bad. I'm only about 8 minutes late, which wasn't bad. But yeah, it was I had a hard time getting up this morning, so it's okay though. I'm gonna have to learn to start going to bed earlier and trying to get these vlogs up earlier. I kind of like this Vlogmas thing because it teaches you consistency and makes you almost like you got a homework assignment and you gotta get it done. And so you know you gotta do it throughout the day, so you gotta get it done. So, but yeah, I'm on my way home now. I am excited about, I don't know, just today. I'm happy today. Like, I feel good. Yeah. So, I'm gonna do a little cardio later on. So, I guess I'll keep this outfit on. Trying to figure out, I need to film my little video for Snapchat. Not Snapchat, for Instagram. And then I need to go by the post office to okay, y'all, flew right off my dash and it broke my little thing. So anyway, like I was saying, I have to go by the post office and send out my gift for my Secret Santa, and I think that's all I really have to do. Oh, and then I have one more client to see this evening, and I think that's it. And that's all I really have to do today. Yeah, but I'm gonna go in here and make me some coffee and cook some breakfast. And I hope everything is okay in y'all world. And I appreciate everybody that's watching me or have watched me or spent the time to watch me. I know sometimes I may be a little boring. If y'all give me some clarity of what you guys would like to see, I would greatly appreciate it. I am today going to post a video on, I think it's my shake video, my Slim Fast video of how I make my Slim Fast. And let me see, and I have another video in the works, but I'm trying to get the house straightened so that I can show you guys what I want to show you. So, or film what I need to film. So once I do that, that video will come up too. So y'all get some more interesting content. and I'm gonna do a lookbook. And yeah, so I hope you guys are enjoying your day. I'm gonna go ahead and go in here and make my coffee, and I will see y'all later. Hey guys, so I got home and my husband was still in the bed, and with all of my clothes on, I crawled back in the bed with him, and he fell asleep and I fell asleep. And yeah, I don't get in bed with my clothes on. But she was so tired. So I'm going to really do my best today to get this vlog done, edited as early as possible, because yeah, she has been really, really tired lately. I know it's because I've been working out and trying to get this weight off me and trying not to stress. But I wanted to come on here and pose a question about I always say whenever you do anything, you should believe in yourself. I really have a lot of confidence in myself, and I believe things will work out the way they should work out. But what I'm about to say may come out very, 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 very bad. But I always say certain things sometimes only happens when you live in certain areas. And because I don't live in the area that I'm actually from, or the state that I'm actually from, it is hard to find ways to make money when you're trying to work for yourself, or to even get people to buy your product. So I'm urging and pleading people, please support your small businesses. I am a business owner. I have 3. I've considered to have another one, but I'll be honest with them, I kind of have slowed down on trying to have so many businesses because the support is not there from anybody. And a lot of people say advertise, but to pay for advertising and then not get the amount of people that you need, it's a hassle and it's too much. So I'm just pleading with you guys to support your small business, because at this point right now, me as a person, not a person that's married and whose husband works extremely hard, but a woman who doesn't like to and has never, up until probably now, depending on a man to do anything. And I know a lot of people say if you're married, that's what you're supposed to do, and I agree. However, me as a woman, I need to have my own. And this is the first time in my whole life, and I've been working since I was 13, that I felt like I had to depend on somebody else. So with that said, is I'm at a point right now where my hustle is like, you know what, I'm gonna have to go work for somebody else. And every time I get a job with somebody else, it seems like, okay, it's temporary, but it never temporary on my terms. You know, with the jobs here, I feel like there's a lot of jealousy. You know, if you're highly educated, nobody wants to give you a job. They'll say you're overqualified, but at the moment you're just trying to get whatever job you can get because you need to make ends meet and you need to have some money. Because you need money. I always say money really is the root of all evil. But, and then me, I'm not going to lie, I try to work for myself for the simple fact is I have sickle cell anemia. So at any moment I could be sick or anything. I just never know. And a lot of people have told me, Yvette, just go apply for unemployment or disability, and not unemployment, disability. But it's just not that easy. It really isn't. So, oh, sorry guys. Support your small businesses. I started YouTube the reason I decided to do YouTube was for an outlet and to be able to get stuff out, because they say every therapist needs a therapist, and this is true, but most of the time that's just to deal with because we take on everybody else's problems inside and hold on to those, and you can't hold on to that stuff. You kind of have to let that go. So I'm not trying to make this a rant or anything, but I started YouTube so that I could talk to people. I heard people make money on YouTube. I'm glad that we support everybody support everybody in the group that I'm in. This is new for me. I haven't really yet been like, yeah, I'm going to tell my husband, you need to get in on this. I haven't really had a conversation with him about it. I want to do like family vlogging and want him to be comfortable with me vlogging and him just to be normal and act his normal self. But I don't know if that's something he would do. I really would have to talk to him about it. But I really think it would be nice. We can call it something, I don't know. The gray. I don't know, something gray, something. I don't know. But anyway, well, that is all I want to come on here and say. Y'all let me know. The question is, do you guys think I should go ahead and try to find another job? Working somewhere until I can get all my stuff done as far as me being a therapist, because I do have clients now, but basically they're clients that I had post-grad hours that I was working on, but I have to still take my tests, and I still have to get some hours signed off on and all that other stuff. And I don't believe leaving a client behind. And I know all my clients that I got myself, they're not going to go to any other therapist. So basically, I'm doing, and I almost said I just start putting that on their life coach. So if anybody needs a life coach, whether I'm in the same state or in a surrounding state, Louisiana, Texas, or Alabama, Georgia, Tennessee, let me know. I'll come and help you be on events that fix your life. So, or whatever it is you need from me. But yeah, that's basically what I've been doing, is life coaching / therapy. It's the same thing. It's just different title due to license requirements. So, but my background is marriage and family therapy. I've done some mental health. I've done some testing. I'm trying to do all kinds of things in the psychology world, but it's hard. With all the licensing requirement. It's not that the requirement of it is hard. It's effective. I'll be honest with you guys, just passing this test. I've never been the one as good as taking tests. And obviously I'm not that bad at it, because the last time I took it, I was only 8 points away from it. The time before that I took it, I was 12, and the first time was 28. So it's not like I'm not getting closer and closer. But it's frustrating, guys. It's so frustrating. But y'all continue to pray for me. I just need some income, and I need it quickly. So anyway, y'all go ahead, and I will get back at y'all later. Okay guys, so I'm on my way to my client. I'm running a little bit behind. But anyway, I just wanted to get on here and let you guys know what I was doing. You know, since it's Vlogmas day 5. Y'all obviously today has been a no makeup day. I believe being in the raw, you know, being you. I put makeup on sometimes when I go see my clients. But today, since I had the one workout client, and then I say workout client, it's not even workout client, it's just walking therapy. And then I have a sit down session. I didn't feel like changing clothes, so hopefully it's okay. I think it's gonna be fine. So, all right, I will see you guys after my session. All right. Okay, so y'all don't mind my hair. I just wanted to go ahead and close the vlog out. I'm eating a turkey burger and some sweet potato fries. So I'm gonna go eat, upload this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been a long day for me. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Blessings. Peace.